Hi there, my name is Ed Schinner. I am the facility owner for the XTAC. XTAC stands for the X Energy Technology Advancement Center. For the short-term purpose, it is primarily used to de-risk our technology going into the field. We are going to design the component and then we're going to come here, manufacture, and test it. And then this becomes a services center. We will have maintenance technicians here that will be the hub of our maintenance group and special tooling organization that will send robotic maintenance out to the fleet of XE100s. We have fuel handling engineers that are working on a test setup so that we can test the individual components of our fuel handling system as they're designed to ensure that we de-risk it once it goes to the field. This is the aspect of the low bay area that is our machine shop. You can see the large CNC machine behind me. We will be able to fabricate a 3D part out of metal that is 30 inches by 50. The entire X Energy team owned the journey to get us to this point, but we have a long way to go. The whole renovation will be completed and we're going to do it safe and error-free.